Over the years, I've watched chemical manufacturers struggle to bend generic software like NetSuite and SAP to meet the complexity of formula-based manufacturing. And while it works for some, we almost always hear the same question. Isn't there something built for the way we actually work? That's where Datacor comes in, an ERP built just for chemical manufacturing and distribution. And in this video, I'll walk you through what it does well, where it falls short, and how to decide if Datacor is the right fit, or if you should be looking at other options instead. To start, Datacor is not a general-purpose ERP that was later adapted to handle formulas. It was designed from the ground up for process-driven companies. Everything in the system revolves around batches, lot traceability, compliance, and repeatable production workflows, which is why we often recommend it to our heavily regulated manufacturers. But it's not the only system on the market built for this. So if you're just starting to explore software for formula-based manufacturing, we've helped hundreds of companies just like you find the right fit. Reach out in the description below or head over to softwareconnect.com to get started for free. Let's begin by going over a few of its core features so you can get a sense of what it can actually do. To start, Datacor provides a complete manufacturing and production suite. Everything starts with formulas and batches rather than part numbers and assemblies. They define how a product should be made and can be scaled up or down for different batch sizes. During production, the system captures the amount of material consumed and any losses. It then stores that information as a batch record, so every item is tracked and traceable. Datacor then covers scheduling built around real-world constraints like equipment capacity and labor hours. And planners can run one of scenarios to model how changes affect work in progress. On the floor, electronic job travelers replace paper-based tracking, letting you record everything where it is and when it happens. All in all, these tools provide the level of control and traceability you need to stay compliant. The next thing I highlight is Datacor's inventory, warehouse, and supply chain management features. These cover both raw materials and finished goods. Inventory is tracked by lot and location. You can see what materials you have on hand, where they're stored, and which batches they're tied to, helping prevent the wrong ingredient from being used. The system also supports multiple units of measure, allowing raw materials to be purchased in bulk and then packaged or sold in different formats. In the warehouse, mobile barcode scanning supports receiving and shipping activities. And on the supply chain side, forecasting and purchasing tools ensure that the right material are available when they're needed without overstocking or last-minute shortages. And last but not least, Datacor includes accounting and finance. Really couldn't call it an ERP if it didn't. The real value here is that financials tie directly to production and inventory data. As you produce batches, Datacor rolls up costs like raw materials, labor, and overhead automatically. You don't have to wait until the end of the day or month just to understand where the costs land, which leads us right into the pros and cons of Datacor. The first thing I really like is that the compliance and quality management are built right in. You can track products from initial formulation all the way through the final shipment. And it goes far beyond what a generic software like NetSuite can offer. You can auto-generate certificates of analysis, produce FDA-compliant labels, and maintain documentation for OSHA, DOT, and REACH compliance. So rather than spending a few $100,000 on a separate platform, you get quality control and operations in one place. You also get access to optional add-on services like the regulatory compliance team, a dedicated expert who works one-on-one with you to remain compliant with your quality standards. Which leads us right into the next pro. Datacor is built specifically for process-based companies. Everything's been designed by a team that understands exactly how this industry works. Everything from production to inventory, compliance and costing is structured to handle the complexity of formulas and batches. That focus goes beyond ERP offerings as well. With add-on modeling software like ChemCAD, your engineers can run simulations and analyze different chemical processes or conditions before they hit the shop floor. While these aren't part of the core platform, they reflect Datacor's focus on deeply serving this industry. So while that might all sound great, it's always important to understand where it could use some improvements. To start, Datacor is not built for small manufacturers or startups. It's likely overkill if you have simple processes or minimal compliance requirements. So while growing companies will appreciate the breadth of features, others might find the overall complexity and implementation process overwhelming at first. But that's typical for first-time ERP buyers. Next, I've seen some criticism around its UI or user interface. While most ERPs are a bit clunky compared to lightweight tools, many of our reviewers noted that Datacor feels slightly less modern than newer cloud software. And finally, the last thing to consider is its cost. Datacor, like most ERPs, require custom quotes. The system scales based on the number of users you have and increases with any add-on services or advanced modules. While it's pretty common, it's important to note that features like advanced MES or warehouse management come with additional fees. So when you get a quote, make sure everything you need is included in the final price. And if you're looking for price quotes on leading ERP or manufacturing software, we can help. After a quick explanation of what your business does and what you're looking for, we can provide recommendations and get competitive quotes from only the best systems. So whether you're just looking to test drive platforms or aren't sure what you need, head over to softwareconnect.com or use the link in the description below to get started for free. But just know, it's definitely not the only process ERP platform out there. You can check out other options on our Chemical Manufacturing Software Roundup, or watch one of our previous videos breaking down a few comparable systems up next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.